Question: what is the privilege of a holder in due course? Options: the right to cancel the instrument at any time, instrument cleansing of all defects, exemption from legal obligations, unrestricted transfer of the instrument. Instrument cleansing of all defects. The bank can refuse to make payment if the check is more than 3 months old, more than 6 months old, more than 1 month old, more than 4 months old, more than 3 months old. Negotiable Instrument Act was introduced in 1972, 1881, 1957, 1889. 1881. The section of holder in due course is 9876. 9. Which one of the following statement is correct regarding the Negotiable Instruments Acts in India? Options: a check is always drawn on a banker. A check requires the acceptance by the drawee. A bill of exchange can be drawn payable to bearer on demand. A promissory note containing a conditional promise to pay is valid promissory note. A check is always drawn on a banker. Which one among the following is not a privilege or right of a holder in due course under Negotiable Instrument Act? Estoppel against denying signature or capacity of prior party. Estoppel against denying original validity of the instrument. Estoppel against denying capacity of the payee to endorse. Estoppel against denying the genuineness or validity of endorsement. Estoppel against denying the genuineness or validity of endorsement. The payment of a negotiable instrument becomes due at maturity, after maturity, before maturity, on third day of maturity. At maturity. The Negotiable Instrument Act 1881 includes check, bill of exchange and dash, promissory note, bank draft, hundi, customary note. Promissory note. Question: assertion: check is dishonored by non-payment. Reason: check is always payable on demand. In the context of the two statements, which one of the following statement is correct? Option A: both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Option B: both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option C: both assertion and reason are false. Option D: assertion is true, but reason is false. Answer: option A. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Which of the following is a promissory note? Options: I promise to pay Vinod rupees 500 and to deliver to him by Golden Horse on 1st January next. Option B: I promise to pay B rupees 500 7 days after my marriage with C. Option C: I acknowledge myself to be indebted to B in rupees 1000 to be paid on demand for value received. Option D: I promise to pay B rupees 500 on D's death provided D leaves me enough to pay that sum. Answer: option C. I acknowledge myself to be indebted to B in rupees 1000 to be paid on demand for value received. Section 6 of the Negotiable Instrument Act defines dash, check, bill of exchange, promissory note, dishonor by non-acceptance. Check. A holder in due course of a negotiable instrument can sue on instrument in his own name, can sue only if permitted by the competent court of law, can sue on the instrument if permitted by the payee, cannot sue on the instrument in his own name. can sue on the instrument in his own name.